Hi guys, how you doing? I do hope your Monday is taking you well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sheba. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So today I want us to cook Viazi Karai and I do hope they'll turn out well. I got the recipe from YouTube, so it's not like something I'm creating on my own. It's a recipe that I'm following from YouTube, and I do hope the result will be a good turnout. Okay, and I do hope you'll enjoy the process to the very end, and that maybe you can borrow an idea or two to prepare some for yourself. Okay.